Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show you a hair growth oil. If you're suffering from hair fall and if you have scanty hair, then this Ayurvedic hair oil which has fragrance in it is useful for you, and this is good for summers too. To make this fragrant hair oil, first I will be using a rosemary herb. This is the herb which is purchased online. This is very good for hair growth. It has anti-inflammatory properties, therefore it promotes hair growth. It can stimulate your scalp and help to reduce hair fall and also reduce premature graying. The next ingredient is this Bavanchi seeds or Bapchi seeds. This is a very fragrant seed or a Ayurvedic seed which would help to give the healthy color for your hair and nails. It also helps to build calcium, and this is very good for your bones if you consume it. When used in oil, it will help your scalp to reduce itchiness and also helps to keep your scalp healthy. This is very aromatic and it is easily available online. You can purchase it in powder form too. The next Ayurvedic herb or root is this alkanet root. This is also called Ratanjot. This is easily available online. This is very good for your hair. It has therapeutic properties. When used in oil, it will help to reduce baldness, hair fall and premature graying. It will also impart color to the hair oil, whichever oil you use, and this will again give color to your hair. So the next aromatic ingredient would be this edible camphor. This is optional. If you want to give that aromatic fragrance to your hair, then you can use this. This also provides calmness to your hair. To make all this, you will be needing oils. I am using olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice, coconut oil or castor oil, almond oil, or combination of all these oils is also good for your hair. So the first method would be to dry all these dry herbs. I'm just placing it in sun for few minutes so that it becomes crisp. Once it is dry enough, I can grind this into fine powder. To grind it, I am taking a mixer jar where I am adding all these ingredients one by one, and I'm going to grind it into a powder. This powder can be stored at room temperature or even in the refrigerator for more than 4 to 5 months, and you can use it in the oil whenever you want it. This powder can also be used as a hair pack, or even if you want to dye your hair, you can use this powder. If you want to know how to make it, please comment in the comment section below. I will show you. So this is the time you can also add camphor, but I am not adding camphor to my hair oil. This is totally optional, that is why. So to make the oil, first I will take a clean glass jar so that I can place it in the sun. I am going to add the oil which I am using. Here I am taking only olive oil first, and then I will drop all the powder into. So once it is done, the oil can be capped tightly and placed under direct sunlight for more than a week. So here I've just added 100 ml of the oil. I can add it later if I want it. So here I've placed it in the sun, and I'm going to leave it for 1 week. I'll be shifting places so that wherever there is sun, I will be transferring this bottle and shaking it occasionally. Shaking this oil will help the residue to again mix up very well, and all the ingredients will release its properties into the oil. So the oil is ready after a week. You can see that the color of the oil has changed. Here I'm just adding the last bit of the oil I previously made, the same oil. So I'm adding into this, and I'm going to place it again in the sun for a day, and then this oil will be ready. So as you can see, the oil has turned into dark red color because of the alkanet root. This also will help to color the hair, and this will give that reddish color to your hair. So to strain it, I'm taking a clean filter or a strainer here, and I'm going to strain this. This hair oil is ready. So you can use this daily or even alternate days it on your scalp and leave it for few hours, and then you can wash off with warm water. So this is the hair oil which can be used by all hair types, and you can use it in the daytime before you wash your hair. Leave it for 2 hours and then you can wash off. So this is the best hair oil which you can make it at home, and this has the fragrance of rosemary and Bavanchi seeds, etc. So try this and see how it works for you. This is very good for all hair types, and this will keep your hair luxurious and healthy. So if you want more such DIYs, please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thanks for watching.